to the hole there. It won't let me go any other way. Does that go anywhere, or is that dope?
No, yeah, it goes back down. I bet that's enough.
That does not go anywhere.
No.
I'm not sure. This is different. Al, good call on not taking the top back, bud.
Good luck.
We're not going there.
I don't even think it doesn't open up. There's a tree down back there.
Is there?
Yeah. I think so. It's sitting pretty low. It's not.
It's kind of a narrow little path. I was wondering if this was a used trail or not.
So I guess we do have to go back down the other way.
We'll find out.
We'll call Mima on Monday and wish her happy birthday too.
So maybe that's the way the trail is supposed to go. I hope so. If we go down through there, there's no backing up on that one. Yeah, 230.
You did say the map showed it turning right. With that right hand turn.
Rock there. What does it say? More difficult. Okay.
Only got the motorcycle sticker.
Wait, what? Four shots. This one's definitely rocky.
Times I don't know whether it's better to going down or up.
Better on us or better on the Jeep?
Jeep.
Alright, here we go. Take it easy here. think I would have wanted to come up through here. Remind me not to come this direction anytime soon.
Seems like this trail might be fairly fresh. Oh, never mind.
There may be some rocks like that coming up the other side here, apparently. Oh no, they're just there.
It's got a lot of down.
We had a lot of. Oof, this looks interesting. Have a lot of options here, bud. If I try to. I'm gonna try it. It may slide us down in it though. I may regret it. I'm going in it. There we go. No problem. Oops. Thank you. Oh, somebody else coming? You back up. Like somebody else was coming. Oh no.
Well, he started to go down 93. Whatever we went down first before we came back up. G.
Hey, he come down. He went. No, yeah, he stayed on. Yeah, we come down G when they were turning left on A.
Which means this will come back out somewhere.
Remember, A took us down to a dirt road. We turned right, so this may take us to that dirt road where, if we would have turned left. That little bit of rain, they're just, you can't keep it out of them ditches. I tried, ain't no turning it though. Not even sure there's any stopping. That was a loud one.
This bit's not too bad.
Do what now?
This bit right here is too bad.
No. Those rocks are pretty rough, but I'd want to get a lift on this thing with a little bit bigger tires. Help a lot on them. A dry day would help a lot as well. What's the elevation now?
2,600. 2,650. So we've lost 500 feet.
.93E. 93E. Was there another trail went somewhere else right there? Or does this just automatically turn into 93E? Did I miss something there?
I don't know. It looks like right here was an old trail, maybe the cut left.
I mean, there's no other roads, right? That I'm seeing. I mean, this is our only option, is what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, I mean, this looks like an old road right here.
Or blank, just water, where they push debris out. Alright, well, let's see what we got here. I wonder, what does this say right here?
I don't see a sign. You can. Oh, I was gonna say I think that's a turnaround. That might take you back to that park. That might be F. Actually,
You think that's 93F?
it might be.
It sure is steep.
I like the way this one looks. Which church sits about at 1,800, so we're only about 500 feet above.
Yeah, this whole area is pretty.
.600 foot or 500 foot difference is quite a lot. So.
I'm still getting Discord pings up here. That was a weird sound.
Yeah. Tire scrubbing a little bit when the shot bottoms out. Like I say, they're wore out. That was a hole in the back side of that thing. more difficult. Just changes in the middle of the trail don't make no sense. It don't make no sense.
I don't see any other trails here.
Well, you had that F that come down and met. So maybe it's just a section of trail is labeled that. So 93E to 93D and 93F turns off. And then what was that one down the hill? Well, I can't remember. This Al, pay attention, bud. Slide me down. There you go. No, it's almost holding. It's all right. Oof, that sounded bad.
I didn't even see anything big in the trail.
It's a rock. The tire just dropped off and didn't have the clearance. Shock bottoms out and just bumps it. Hopefully it doesn't hit anything major.
Here's that gravel road again. Very big gravel road.
Hey, gravel. So what'd that say? 93D?
The sign we passed back there, yes.
So let's see. G was on the other side. We took A to G. So maybe I'm trying to remember. We already been on C.
In between
A, B, C. We're
missing B.
B.
We rode on B.
Did we?
No.
Yeah, that's where we went down and we went right and went.
Oh, I thought that was.
backwards
I
on
thought
G.
that was A. Was it B?
No, that was D.
Okay.
I don't know where A was, but it was C, D, G.
So maybe this will circle us back over there, because it seems like D, E, F. So it seems like they're counting this way. So we're working our way back toward A and B apparently, and C. C's kind of runs across them all, I guess. I don't know how that works.
Yeah, because we took C up the hill.
I
We
don't
took
know.
A down the hill.
A few more markers wouldn't hurt them at all in here, would it?
We're missing B.
Again? No.
Some of these shoes look pretty fresh. I take it this is all hurricane damage, maybe.
I don't know. That oak there ain't been down too long.
It was a tight squeeze.
Yes, it is. I think I'm gonna have to back up here a little bit. Four-wheel drive is not gonna allow me to do it without putting it in reverse. I can't see a thing.
You'd almost need a Campbell on a gimbal. A camera on a gimbal to show how truly steep and bumpy this is.
It's just hard on a video or a picture to show how steep something is. Well,
We can go down or we can go up. Oh, this is F. And, dude,
This is 93D.
no,
There.
where? How do you see?
Behind.
no, yeah, that's the trail we just came off of.
Yeah, and this is F. So,
And E.
and E. E was back that way.
The trail that. Okay, so we just came off of E, I think.
All right. Let's see what we can do here, boys. Y'all feel like going up some?
If you can get over these rocks.
Well, that's the question, isn't it? Oof. Getting getting over them and keeping the pieces. The Jeep in one piece is another matter. Should have went the other way. What do y'all think? I think our top's just right up there. I had it in reverse, not drive. Oh. Nope.
I think we're catching it on something.
On the bottom.
I think so.
Drive.
If you want to sit here and hold the brake and run your winch up to that tree.
I don't know if it'd reach.
Or that tree.
That'd pull me the wrong direction. Alright, hang on. Easy does it here. Y'all okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why am I spinning now? Alright, Levi.
Yo.
You wanna hold on. Let me see. What does behind us look like? Whoa,
I
why is
cannot
it doing
figure
that?
out.
Huh?
Oh, your back tire's in this rut right here.
In a rut? Oh, I see. Alright, hang on. Still in it?
Yeah. It's gonna slide right back down into it. Oh.
There we go. Which rut is it in?
Now, well, now you're in both of them.
That's good. That's better than. Alright, you boys want to hook me up on the winch?
Sure.
You want to help them out?
Sure.
Remember, you'll have to turn. We got to turn the breaker, the power back on the Jeep.
I can do it.
Okay. Al, you want to? Here. See?
Yep. Grab this door too. I gotta put it in neutral, right?
You got to put it in neutral to pull the slack out.
Alright, here. Go untangle this, wrap it around that tree right there. Where's the carabiner for that?
It's in the back of the seat, but use the one you take off up here.
Okay.
It'd be that easier.
Here.
That up around on that knob there. That one on the knob? Nope, up above you, straight in front of you. Yep, that one. Around the base of that. Remember, you can't raise the hood very far, and you turn the switch to the right, I think. Straight up and down. Here, you need some slack in the cord. That's good. That red, big red knob. If it's flat, you turn it straight up and down. That's good. All right. Close the hood. Oh, don't slam the hood, please.
Sorry.
It's not like a regular vehicle. Hey, Al, just wrap it around the whole bundle there. There you go. Just throw it over there and then you can get it. There you go. Yep, might as well. There you go. No, go through both of them. And the hook. You good? You
We're gonna need to move it up the trail more, or?
Unhook it and unhook the thing and take the strap and unhook the thing. Hand me the end of the winch. Al, you take the strap and go on up the trail. Am I going in?
Huh?
Am I going in?
Yeah. Here, you want me to just put it in neutral?
Yeah, pull it out and put it in neutral and pull out enough to hand to me, then take it out of neutral. It shouldn't have been going in both directions. That's not good. You're gonna have to pull it straight. That's good. Hand it in the window here.
Huh?
All right, I'll hold this. You pull some more.
Tell me when.
That's good. Take it out of neutral. Take it out of neutral. Take it out of neutral.
Huh? Take it out.
Neutral. All right, go up there with Al.
Hey. You got the carabiner? Where?
Do you have the carabiner? Yeah, get on up the hill. Okay. I think we're close enough to where we know where we're at. We can put everything back up. If that's cool with you guys.
Sorry, I was confused. I didn't know why you grabbed the end of it.
Because you're just dragging this loose. If it comes off, we're never gonna find it.
Somebody grab that remote right there.
Okay.
Wheel it in.
Which spot?
One of the bottom two.
I got it. Tell me when.
That's good. Use that carabiner.
Goodness gracious. If you'd fixed the carpet first, it would have gone further.
I didn't know that the carpet was in the way. I'm sorry. Not my fault.
Oh man.
We know it works.
Yeah, we know it works. That one was a little rough, a little steeper than I should have turned the other way down there, I suppose.
I don't know where that would have taken us out at least we know where we're headed now.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm thirsty.
Drink some.
I mean, buckle
You
up
good?
first.
Yeah, buckle in. Al, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. Oh man.
You alright?
Yeah.
You just get a little hot.
It's sweaty. It's warmed up a lot today.
So we know where we're at here now, right?
No.
Yeah, this is where we crossed 93C, went that way, and we looked at that sign that said 95 or 93F that went down the hill. So we're just gonna head right back down here.
Okay. We're head out for the day.
Yeah, I think so. We've had quite a bit of fun. Put this thing to its paces. Tried out the winch a couple times, or used the winch a couple times. So we probably get down here to the parking lot and call her a day.
We should eat at Zaxby's.
At Zaxby's?
Yeah.
I thought last night we talked about going to the steakhouse. I know y'all I like them salad bars and stuff at the steakhouse. But I'm open to anything. Zaxby's would be fine. I think there's a Zaxby's in Blairsville, isn't there?
Oh yeah.
If we eat there, we could take Skinny Gap Road home. It'd be a lot quicker.
Zaxby's is just after the roundabout, right next to the Wendy's, I think.
In Blairsville?
Yeah.
Oh, I know where you're talking about. Okay, yeah. You alright? You gonna make it?
Yeah.
Now, do we want to go on back to where we come in at? Probably. I don't think we'll go this way. I think we'll go on back to where we come in at, if that's alright with you boys.
It's fine by me. I don't know where, we know where this way comes out at on the road. I mean, I don't know even where this entrance would come out at.
I don't think anywhere through here. You just thought, yeah, the straps. I'll button up all that box and stuff later.
I'm cool with leaving the sides off till we get home. If we're taking Skinny Gap, we can take the top off till we get home.
I don't want Alex to get too cold. It might on the highway. We'll see how we all feel. Oh. I remember coming down through here. I don't think this was too rough. Find out. We got to break out the winch again. We do. We definitely need one of those things that shows elevation, not elevation, but tilt
Gyroscope.
degree or whatever, like shows what degree the Jeep is at. Because videos are just not going to do it justice.
No. Well, like I said, if you put your camera on a gimbal, it'd show it. I mean, you know, if your head was stuck at the same level as this the whole time, you wouldn't know you weren't much of an angle either. I mean, it's gonna be.
Mom was a little anxious here.
Coming back down this bit?
Yeah.
Did you go over the rocks or go around them?
No, we went. See, we come in that way, and we ended up coming down this way. So we didn't come up this way.
Oh.
Not with her Jeep.
Okay, so where does that entrance come in?
Like I say, if you keep going past Blairsville, there's that theater we went to a couple times on the right.
Yeah.
Right before you, there's a gas company, and there's a dirt road right there that leads into that entrance. There's not a very big parking lot or anything there.
How are they supposed to, I mean, is it just, you gotta be, I mean, is it just like honesty, or how do they ensure you pay to come in here?
Well, I mean, it's honesty. And every now and then, forest warden may come by. If you got a car parked out there where you're riding a four-wheeler in here, he matches up your tag number, see if you paid a fee, or if you're in a vehicle in here, he can stop you and check. And the $5 a day is
becomes
probably a lot less than however much the fine would be.
I'm sure if you come here enough, you can probably get like a pass or something.
You can buy a 12-month pass to visit any of them for $50, I think it is, for a year.
That's not bad. How many more of them are there around here?
That's a lot of trips, though. $5. I mean, well, no, it's not really. I mean, 10 trips. There's not many around here that you can drive Jeeps on. There's a couple for 4-wheelers and dirt bikes. Wisenhunt over in Dahlonega, and there's one right up here on Chattooga, I think it is. OHV trail, 50 inches or less, meaning 4-wheelers and stuff. 4-wheelers and dirt bikes.
I mean, you and Mom have been here 3 or 4
I want a
times.
deer. Right there, see it?
Oh yeah.
There's a little buck, little spot. No, we just been in here once.
Oh.
Her Jeep was gonna come in here with this thing, and it was closed after Hurricane Helena.
Yeah, we was with you that time.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, it was gonna come up here. They close them down January through March.
Because of the storms, right?
Well, figure it, winter weather, ground freezes, stuff like that.
I wonder how long it takes to make these shows.
Could be old logging roads. Just bring a dozer up in here, and then people riding them will make them. You know, when it's steep like this, they'll spin their tires, and it'll wash out with rain. So they make them, and they just gradually get worse over time.
I'd suggest we eat it at a barbecue place again, but I cannot eat that right now. It's a little too hot.
We ate that a bunch of times. I think we all kind of got a little burnt out on it.
Yeah. It's good food. You want to pack up here or wait till we get to the bottom?
Pack up. What do you mean pack up? We've already put the winch up. The only thing, unless y'all want the sides back on right now, we're fine.
Well, I mean, I figured you're just going to like strap your box down and put the strap up.
I can do that in the parking lot. Well, I mean, we're right here in Blairsville.
Yeah.
I do want to get it out of 4-wheel high.
Oh, it was low that time. No.
Or 4-wheel low, yeah. I want to put it, you know what, I'll probably just go ahead and put it all the way down into 2-wheel drive.
The 98C sign said easiest.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this way, right?
No, C was.
Oh, yeah.
I'd say the easiest looks like it would be the 93D or something.
The one that went straight across?
Yeah.
Or the flat part over there we rode on? There may be worse parts of it, I don't know.
Only having to use the winch twice, we did pretty good today. Given what all we went through. Between hard acceleration, hard braking, and reckless driving, like 360 is gonna be throwing a fit.
Let's see if I can find somewhere to pull over here. How's it look right there?
You good?
Let's see, maybe.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
There we go. How's it going?
How is it?
Slick.
Where all you go?
Went straight across, turned right, come down 93G, had to pull the winch out on the backside
G.
of G to get kind of right up at the top, and then we turned left here on 96C, went all the way up,
C.
dropped down, and come back up 93F, and we had, it's a little steeper than I imagined, had to use the winch to get up to the top of that.
Right.
Yeah,
Ain't done F.
but the leaves and the
Oh yeah. Slick.
yeah, that red clay, a little water on it. Some of it's dry, but there's little slick spots in the shade.
What's what? B is the one. No, B is the bad.
There's some good ones in there.
Yeah,
Just-
I can't remember which one we've been on. C. What is C?
C's the one that turn. If you go up here and take a left, it kind of goes straight and it crosses that other road and all that. It was pretty good, yeah. Yeah, we didn't have to break the winch out on it.
No.
Have a good day.
Thanks, y'all too.
See y'all.
Oh, we have a dog.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have brought my pets up here.
Have fun. Alright, I put it in low, so hopefully. There we go.
I don't know if a Gladiator would have made it through here either.
I think it died on me. Did it? It died on me, didn't it? Oh. Oh. Let's turn it off. I was a little concerned there. Something electronic was telling my transmission was still in neutral, and I was getting a little concerned. I was like on the way out, just pulling over for a couple more Jeeps, and she breaks down. That'd be at least we could put it in neutral and roll it down here to the parking lot, probably.
Yeah.
My seatbelt keeps locking and unlocking.
Well, it's probably not a bad thing.
Yeah, no, I can't imagine how something that long would handle some of this.
Well, that's the reason we didn't make it over 93C with Mom's Jeep. Let me see. There we go. Give him enough room.
Oh yeah.
Another one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't see anything behind that one.
Can't keep driving and talk at the same time. All right, let's try the.
Low again.
Seems like it gets really popular this Sunday.
Yeah. I'm looking at four-wheel drive.
Notice they've all come in pairs in case something happens.
A lot of people ride together. Yeah.
Yeah, Sissy would have been scared to death.
She would not have liked having to pull out the winch, would she? Oh. I definitely don't need four-wheel here.
At least not low.
Is that another engine in here?
Do what now?
No, it's the fan.
Yeah, it's like I told Levi, it's accommodating for not getting enough air moving over the engine. The fan cranks up, so more air movement helps keep the engine cool where it should be.
That didn't smell as bad as I thought it would.
The mud?
Yeah.
I tried to get your arm, Levi. shot the bottom of it.
A couple of places coming in, I got one that won me. They barely nailed their signs into the trees.
They do that for a reason. The tree keeps growing. If you nail it in tight, it'll grow, pop the sign off the tree. So as that tree grows, that sign ideally will just keep, as that bark grows, it'll just keep pushing it to the end of the nail. So it'll stay on there a lot longer, in theory. Get mud on your hat.
I set my foot on it.
No, it's not. It ain't gonna hurt anything.
I've been wearing a hat because it stops me from having to fix my hair.
Anyone need the restrooms or anything? We're not that far from Zaxby's.